Hey guys, I hope everybody's taking care and being blessed. I have been cleaning out my garbage disposal. Sorry you can't really see it that well, but when I set the camera up, it kept tipping over. But this is the garbage disposal. It has been stinking. I have been using all kind of garbage disposal cleaner, this, that, or whatever. And I forgot. My mom told me probably about, I'm talking about like probably about 6, 7 months ago, take out this black spacer that's inside of there. Also, I heard somebody else told me about that, and the client was talking about it. And I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and do what my mama told me to do anyway. You'll be so amazed when your mom tell you to do something. It's always right, and then when somebody else tell you to do it, you be like, oh yeah, let me do it. Okay, so put your gloves on. I have my favorite. I have Fabuloso. I'll be using Fabuloso. Have some Clorox wipes, baking soda, and you know my favorite thing, Dawn. It is Dawn inside of here. So let's see if it's that simple to get this out. Okay, now mine don't seem to be that easy to get out. It's funny how everybody be like, oh, it's so simple to do. No, mine ain't coming out easy. So, man, I hate that that's not coming out because I was hoping that it really came out. It is so nasty inside of there. Make sure you wear some gloves, y'all. So with that being said, I can't do what I wanted to do. I was actually about to pull it out. If you're able to pull yours out, go ahead and pull it out. If not, I'm about to just put some Dawn and something. So we'll figure it out. Let's get some paper towels maybe. That gets kind of put a damper on everything. But I knew it wasn't gonna be that simple. Don't nothing never be that simple. Like I'm talking about, like it don't even. It's not even. It's like it's connected to it. It's like it's not even moving at all. So I'm gonna just take some Dawn on this dish towel and just try to wipe around it. Just wipe around it, y'all. We can't get it out, so let's wipe around it. And you don't gotta go completely in there. Do not put your hands inside of the garbage disposal. That is not what we're doing. But get up under that black, the little black flap, okay? Get up under the black flap and clean around the black flap. And what I'm also gonna do is, in this next sink that's next to it, I'm gonna do the same exact thing. So take some Dawn and just take that Dawn all the way around that black area, since we can't get in there, okay? And I'm gonna get some more paper towels and I'm gonna do the other side. So that's how we are going to do this. You always gotta make exception to the rules. Sometimes things don't go as planned, what you didn't, so I'm gonna improvise. Okay, I'm gonna take this, y'all, and I'm gonna clean the other side of the sink too, y'all, cause usually whatever comes inside of here, just push right back up. And y'all got my locks back. Make sure you got your hair back, braids back, whatever you got. Okay, we cleaned that. Now, y'all, we are about to use some more paper towels. That's what my husband said. He said I'm a paper towel queen. I do use a lot of paper towels. I don't know, I just like to. Okay, now y'all, we're gonna use some Fabuloso. Y'all know I love the smell of Fabuloso. Again, get in between where that flap is, all around the flap. We not in the inside, just around the flap and on top of that flap, all the way around the flap, like you would do if you was cleaning your toilet stew. See, you see all that black nasty? That's why you gotta have your gloves on. Let's go ahead and throw that away. And then we're gonna do it to the other sink. Same exact thing. Everything we're doing to one sink, we're gonna do to another. Now the only thing different I'm gonna do to this sink, I'm gonna actually put some baking soda. Because baking soda really can't go in this sink. I'm gonna clean this whole little drain area. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean these gloves. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm about to get some baking soda and just pour that baking soda in there. Put a little bit of hot water, and now I'm about to turn the dishwasher, my garbage disposal on. Let that marinate in there. See, I told you whatever comes out of the garbage disposal goes inside of the other sink. So it's coming up. And if you want to, drop a little bit of Dawn in there too. You don't gotta drop it in both, just one, because it comes up. Okay, we almost done, y'all. Okay, now what we're gonna do is turn that off. And that's one thing too. Make sure you run your garbage disposal on like with some warm water to get all that food and stuff out of it also. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some Clorox wipes. And look how many came out. Like, it's so crazy, y'all. Sometimes you be trying to just get one or something and all of it come out. I'm just gonna just use it and I'm gonna clean my countertops with it. Okay, go in, do the same thing with your Clorox stuff. And I did this probably, y'all. You don't gotta do the same one, but if you want to, that's fine. I wouldn't. Actually, don't do that. Separate ones. I did this probably about a week ago. And when I say it smells so good, so I just wanted to come back and show you guys what you can be able to do to be able to get your dishwasher, your garbage disposal smelling good. And if you want, throw you a little bit of Fabuloso. You got the baking soda, a little bit of water. Turn your garbage disposal back on. And there you go. Now you don't gotta have a stinky garbage disposal, okay? Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye, guys.